Today is Tuesday, so that means it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In today's video, I am cleaning out a cabinet in my kitchen that contains my spices, measuring cups, and that kind of thing, so stay tuned. So for my Tiny Tidy Tuesdays, I am doing a series here in my kitchen where I am cleaning out some of my cabinets, and I'm starting with the ones that have not been touched in quite a while. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff to see whenever I open them up because they are in complete disarray. I kind of use, if you watched my Closet Tiny Tidy series, I kind of use the same philosophy when I'm cleaning the kitchen. In my closet, it was if I wear it today, I'll keep it. If I would not wear it today, I will pass it on. It's kind of the same way in my kitchen. I know that some things are seasonal, like Christmas cookie cutters, for example. And if you were to ask yourself, would I use that today? Of course you would not use it today because it's not Christmas. But if I would use it at Christmas, then of course I would keep it. Today I am cleaning out mainly spices, measuring cups, and I think there's a tea maker in the cabinet I'm cleaning out. Most of the spices will probably be discarded because they're old or I do not use them. The measuring cups I will just put back in, and the tea maker I have not used in years, and so it will probably go to another home. So let's get busy cleaning out the cabinet. So are you ready to see what this cabinet looks like? It doesn't look so bad right there, but as we go up, you're going to see that spices and random stuff are just everywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out. I'm going to wipe my cabinets down, and I'm going to get rid of some stuff, and I'm going to put everything back in place the best way that I can. Also, I forgot to mention that this is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, which is a collab put together by Sunday Dawn. Sunday Dawn is so talented, and I would love for you to check out her channel. And please check out the playlist of the other Tiny Tidiers as well. I get so much motivation on Tuesday from watching all of the girls in our Tiny Tidy group doing their Tiny Tidies as well, so I know you would benefit from that. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jen. I am a former teacher and love to teach you guys how to do things. I have a variety of content here on my channel. My main focus these days is cleaning in small steps after dealing with a health crisis, and I would love to welcome you and to have you in my YouTube family.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh,
confession to make. Although I no longer use the tea maker, I do use the tea pitcher, and I use it for watering our plants on the porch. So I was not ready to part with that particular part of the tea maker. So that is why I kept it, in case you were wondering. We honestly do not drink tea or anything like that, so we do not have the need for a pitcher at this time, but it works so great to water the mums on the front porch. So that's why I kept that. I also decided to put the measuring cups with the handles facing outward so that they are easier for us to grab when we need them for cooking.
Go, you're undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes.
I decided to speed this part up because honestly, the main thing that I was doing during this portion was looking at my spices and trying to look at the sodium content, trying to decide if it was a spice that I would still use, if it was a spice I would not use. I was kind of having to ask my husband if there were spices that he used that maybe I don't use. So I went ahead and I made that fast so that you guys did not have to sit through all of that. But I did narrow down the spices, and I know that spices typically do not go out of date, but if they said best used by November 2019, for example, I went ahead and trashed it.
Here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes.
So ordinarily, maybe it's because I was a teacher, I always put things like my spices in alphabetical order. However, my husband suggested that I put things in order from least used in the back to most used up front. So I took his advice because he uses the spice cabinet as well, and I wanted it to work for both of us. Will I go back at a future date and alphabetize them because it drives me nuts? Possibly, but I want to try his method first.
Here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego. You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them.
I love to utilize command hooks inside my cabinets, so this is just a place that I can store measuring cups or measuring spoons, and I absolutely love that.
More than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Do not forget to go check out Sunday Dawn's channel along with the playlist and get lots of tiny tidying motivation. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and most of all, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.